When launching something new, success often depends on one crucial group: early adopters. These are the people who don't just try new things first, they want to. They're the tech enthusiasts, the experimenters, the people who see the potential in an idea before it's polished. Understanding early adopters is key because they serve a dual role. First, they are your first users, helping you test, validate, and shape your MVP. Second, they are often the ones who spread the word. If they believe in your vision, they'll champion it. But they also have high standards. If your idea doesn't deliver real value, they'll let you know fast. Early adopters care less about perfection and more about progress. They're more tolerant of bugs and rough edges if they see promise. That makes them the ideal group to learn from early on. Their feedback is gold, not just about what's broken, but about what's missing, what's exciting, and what's worth doubling down on. To find early adopters, look where people are already talking about the problem you're trying to solve. Niche communities, forums, Reddit threads, Slack groups, these are rich sources. Be genuine when you approach them. They don't want a sales pitch. They want to be part of the journey. Your job is to treat early adopters as collaborators. Listen to them, thank them, and make them feel involved. They're not just users, they're co-creators. And their insights can help you pivot, refine, and ultimately find product-market fit. Every big idea started with a small, loyal group of early believers. Find yours, and you'll build not just a product, but a movement.